Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee. What's up, guys? Good afternoon. It's Andy from Motoscades and Coffee. I'm gonna go take my Suzuki GS for a little spin and hopefully get some drone footage in. So come on along with me and let's go for a spin. All right, there's a Suzuki GS1000L. Yeah, runs like a top. One's really good. Need to clean it up a little bit, but still's really nice. All right, I'm gonna try and fly this drone, see what we got. All right. All right, so there's the drone. Little drone action. Now we're just going to take a little spin and get a little GoPro, action, and we'll go. And this guy starts right up. Oh, left it on. Whoops. Man, that's nice. Let's go. This guy will pop a wheelie. Holy crap. Woo. It's pretty agile too. It's more agile than I thought. Wow, it drives so nice. All right, let's pack her up. Woo! That bike is so nice. So fast. Definitely pop a wheelie. I have the backrest all the way forward, so it would need to slide back, and it can definitely lift the front tire really nicely. A lot of torque, a lot of mid-range. Yeah, she's good. I like it. All right, time to head home. This thing starts right up. Amazing. It has the footrest. I like it. And mid controls. I think you just gotta learn to drive it a little different than normal. Say goodbye, Sunset, Maryland. I gotta go the other way. You drive me nuts, please.